friends, today I will be showing you a quick and easy tutorial on how to attach both hat tags and pom-poms to your beanies. If you would like more tutorials on how to use the Central 48 knitting machine to make these hats, I'll have those linked down below. And if you like what you see here today, please consider liking and subscribing. So let's jump in. First, I'll show you how I attach my hat tags. Now, I got these hat tags from Idaho TaylorMade, so I will link their Etsy shop down below. And these are the holographic ones. So as you can see, that's really pretty. Sometimes the hat tags come with the rivets, and other times you have to buy them separately. I actually bought these without rivets, and I got these at my local Joann store, but I'll link down below the rivets that I'm using. So you'll need to grab one of each end of the rivets. And wherever you put the hat tag, that's up to you. I like to do them right on the side here. And I just fold that up just like that. And make sure that you're pushing it so that it's not gapped right down here. So go ahead and push that right up. And you are just going to take the one side of the rivet and you are going to push that through both layers of your hat. And as you can see on the other end, that side of the rivet is coming through there. You want to pull that tight, and you are going to grab the other end. You're going to simply push that right on there until it snaps. And that is how your hat tag should look. Now, if you do it this way and you're wanting to fold the hat up, you can absolutely do that. It doesn't affect that at all. And with these hat tags, it has the words on both sides, so that's perfect for that. Now that we have easily attached our tag, I will show you how to attach the pom-pom. Now, there are different types of pom-poms. There are ones that snap, and then there are ones that have a little loop on them. This one has a loop, as you can see. The ones that snap, you really just place that on the end, turn it upside down, and you'll snap it right together. But for the purposes of this, I'm going to show you how to do the ones with the loop. So what we're going to do is actually take a crochet hook, and we're going to go inside the hat through both layers at the very top here and have that crochet hook poke through. Now we are going to grab our pom-pom, and you can find that loop right there, and as you can see, that pulls a little bit, so go ahead and pull that out. Grab your crochet hook, and you are going to hook that loop right on there and pull that through both layers. Now we are going to turn our hat inside out so that you can see where this loop is. So let's leave that right here for now. And if you didn't leave an extra tail when you tied your hat together, you can just take some of your yarn and cut a little tail. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie this on right to your hat. So go ahead and tie that tail on with a little loop. And I like to double knot it to make sure that it stays on. And now we are going to take this, we're going to pull it through the loop here, and then go ahead and grab that again and pull that tight. So now that should be attached to your hat and attached to the loop, and you can cut that off. And now your pom-pom is attached. So as you can see, it's very easy to attach both your hat tags and your pom-poms, and this really just gives your hats a more professional and finished look. So I hope this tutorial was easy for you today. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. And if you use this tutorial to attach your hat tags or your pom-poms, tag me in your creations on social media.